Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick ShopMissA haul. I saw that they had a sale, they had some new items, and they had dollar shipping. I think when I ordered this, it took 2.5 weeks or so to get here, but given the weather and all that, of course it's excusable. They are located in Texas. So I got the Oki Tidy Cord Belt for $1, and it just really reminded me of my punk dog. I'll insert a picture here. And he's just so adorable. I didn't really need this, but I just wanted it because it reminded me of my dog. And I've been needing another one of these precise concealer brushes for a while. It's AOA Studio F16. I love this for my brows. And inner corner highlights, using glitters and all kinds of different things. I use these brushes, but mainly for my concealing under eyebrows. And they had, like I said, new products. These are new. The AOA Studio Microfiber Washcloth for $1. And I'm hoping it holds up just like my Sassy and Chic one. So I'm excited to try this out. And also this one, it says $1.33. And it's from AOA Studio, the Bamboo Reusable Cotton Pads. So intrigued. 2 of those for $1. They had these in a white color as well, I believe, and I picked up black. And I decided that I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to do a full review on the AOA Studio skincare. If you are interested in that, please let me know. I am kind of on the fence about doing it, so let me know if you actually want to see it. And I'm most excited for this item here. They came out with a razor set, and this is the AOA Studio 5-blade razor kit. And it's got 7 pieces. Okay. This kit includes razor handle, 5 5-blade cartridges, and 1 razor holder. Other perks. This was $7, I believe. And like I said, there was like a discount on some of the on the whole website, so I picked that up. So that's my ShopMissA haul. If you want reviews, let me know on what you want to see reviews on or demos. I'm happy to do it. So I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for videos. If you want reviews, then stay tuned for the reviews. Thank you so much for watching.